Hi everyone, it's Bernadette, Simply Be Art, Cape Town. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be doing a new series, a series of 4 Dutch pour paintings. I'm calling this one my Underground Treasures. And so I want to do 4 different Dutch pours, and my inspiration comes from our natural gemstone treasures found all across the world. So the 4 Dutch pours will be split colors, and each one will represent a different gemstone crystal. So the first one will be sapphire, and then the next will be amethyst, followed by citrine, and the last one will be rose quartz. So over the next 4 videos, you will see me do a Dutch pour in this gemstone underground treasure series. So thank you once again for being here and for joining me. I hope you enjoy this series. So my canvases will all be the same size. It's a 30 centimeter by 40 centimeter. And today's Dutch pour is going to be sapphire. So I've got 2 colors which I'm going to lay down as my base coat. This is a primary blue from Dala, and I've added some black to darken it up and to give it that sapphire blue, rich sapphire blue color. And this is a Zalcraft paint. It's called Dark Sky. So I'm going to lay down my base coat now, and I'm going to speed you up a little, and then I'll talk about the colors that I'll be laying down. All right, the base coat is laid down. Let me pop the air bubbles. I've got a little blank spot right there. I'm just going to fold that. All good. All right, all my colors are mixed the same as for the base paint as well. I've got colors that I mix up. I pre-mix them and I store them in these bottles. These colors are mixed the same consistency as my base color. So this is copper. I'm going to be using copper. I'm also going to be using Dala's Pearl Blue. I will be using the Chiffon Blue as well as Ultramarine Blue. I'm also going to be using a Pearl White, and then I've got a Sapphire, and I've got some iridescent medium that I've added to this color. So that's going to be the last color that I lay down. So let's start with a copper. Our colors are laid down. Let's blow this one out. Hair dryer or blow dryer on cool air on low speed. Just loving that. Let's torch this first and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. Just want to smooth this a little bit more. It looks a bit bumpy. Okay, that looks good. Clean up the edges first. Let me clean around the canvas on the plastic. I just want to get rid of everything that's lying around and then I'll bring you down for a close-up.